turn is a 180-180 turn. So we go halfway through the circle, carried by our legs. So the first part of it is what we just learned. Here, 180. And then the second part of it is the other leg lifts up and kicks forward to bring us around. From the side, it looks like this. First leg swings us to the back. Second leg swings to the front. From the front, swing, around, other leg, around. If I do it facing away from you, it looks like this. Swing, around, other leg swings forward and around. With the hoop, it's a little bit more kind of out of control because the hoop's carrying you as well as your legs carrying you. So don't worry if you don't get a perfect 180 turn. It's okay to sort of stagger around and just be carried by the momentum of movement. It's half the fun. Maybe it's all the fun. So starting with swing, 180, swing, 180. This is a bit of a traveling turn, so you will find your kind of move. 1, 2. Really just have a play with it, like swing your legs around and see where, woo, woo, woo. See where you end up. It's a whole lot of fun.